The Perryman Shoemaker relationship started in 2004. Perryman and Shoemaker saw the advantages of using skilled firms together to accomplish project solutions.
So our relationship with Perryman began actually on a project that I was a project manager on back in 2004. It was a new parking garage for Temple University Hospital, and that was the first time that I met Angelo. And the relationship has developed vastly since then.
Any successful business focuses primarily on three things: talent, timing, and capital, which could be in multiple different things, including bonding.
Perryman is able to attract the talent that is able to make jobs successful, and they really aren't in it for the name only. They bring resources to our projects.
Perryman has been in existence since 1954. My father started the business at that time after completing a tour in the military. Started very small, and we have been in continuous operation for 66 years. Growing a business takes time. My father had different challenges than the challenges that I had, and I'm now seeing how they're going to evolve into the future, which Angelina will have to address those type changes.
I love working with Miss Angelina. I think she's fantastic. And it's been good because, our families grew up together. We live very close to each other, so my children know his children, and just to see them all really be successful, that's what we've always wanted in our community, is for each generation to do better. And you can see how Perryman has done better with the next generation, and I think that's important.
Without the family business, I wouldn't be here. I might not have even had the chance or the opportunity to sit in these seats. I wouldn't have and have been fortunate to have the mentorship and guidance of Mara and others on the team that have been a part of my growth and watched me grow since the beginning. We've grown over the years, have been a team for a long time, over 18 years together. We've gotten to see our own team grow internally, as well as the team that is being built as Perryman Shoemaker. Be hungry, be a student of your craft, keep learning how to make the industry better, how to make yourself better, how to present better. Keep honing your skills, and I'd also say don't give up.
So I actually came to the company by an outreach program called Pathways to Construction that was held as a part of the Fashion District project. One of the most impactful things for working with Perryman Shoemaker in terms of my career is actually having access to Angelo Perryman. I actually have kind of a mentee relationship with him in terms of being in the construction field.
So the company gave me the opportunity to be a project manager for such a large project, and I think that's my most impactful impact to date. What would I say to other women that might not think it's for them but want to take on this opportunity to be a project manager or work in the construction field? Don't ever think that this isn't for you, because once you put your foot on the ground, that's all you need, and then your passion then takes over.
The credibility that we have working with Perryman Shoemaker has helped us build our teams, leverage our negotiation with vendors, and network with our colleagues.
I enjoy working with Perryman Shoemaker, or the team that we're a part of. So it's very diverse. Everyone has a very different background, so it's nice to see 8 to 9 personalities come together with one team.
When we come to a project as Perryman Shoemaker, you have the advent of a greater participation of women and Black males on the projects. And then that allows us then to utilize those insights to include more firms that could be involved in the subcontractor model that we used to be involved in.
It really becomes a second nature focus of our teams to make sure that we include diversity at all levels of the project.
A staple project would be the AMC Theater in Center City, Philadelphia. It was the old Burlington Coat Factory building at 11th and Market.
It was and is just a legendary building to the city of Philadelphia that might now become the home of the next 76ers, but I guess we'll find out soon.
We pride ourselves in being a builder. And as a builder, We first believe that the project must go on. You'll find ways to get around things like existing conditions or contract language that may not be acceptable in a normal business arrangement. But at the end of the day, we're a builder.
The capabilities of the firm are strong. The resources we have to bring to bear to complete a project are some of the best in class, and we look forward to growing our opportunities and continue to grow as a firm to the next generation.